Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's 6 o'clock in the morning of December 31, the last day of the year, and we are traveling to Las Vegas together with our friends. Yes, we are going to celebrate our New Year in Las Vegas. It's a 6-hour drive, and as you know, it's winter time, and this area actually nasa -5 yung temperature, kaya medyo maginaw. So, after 2 hours of driving, ayan, medyo maliwanag na, and we're just driving to our first stop. Mag-quick rest lang kami, maybe around 30 minutes para makapagpahinga yung car, and then stretching, and probably we will have coffee or hot choco. And we have finally reached our first stop. Ayan, quick rest lang and refuel, then coffee, hot choco, and bread. And diretso na ulit, travel to Las Vegas for another 3 hours. Ganyan lang takbo ng kaibigan namin pagka may ano.
Hindi ko alam bakit nahuli siya eh. Bago naman magpatakbo eh.
Pag may pulis, ayan, ganyan.
May pulis ba?
And ayan, after 3 hours of travel, we have finally reached Las Vegas. And of course, first on the list of our itinerary is to be happy at Jollibee. Yes, guys, wala kasing Jollibee sa amin sa Salt Lake City. Kaya pumupunta kami dito sa Vegas pag nagka-crave ng Jollibee. And then after naming nag-decide kami na pumunta dito sa outlet. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal kasi nga 4 o'clock pa yung aming check-in time at 2 o'clock pa lang in the afternoon. Come here, here. And after naming mag-outlet, dumiretso na kami dito kung saan kami naka-check-in sa Grand View Hotel. Room tour.
No.
So this is room A. Our things, our kitchen. And up here, and then the room to the bathtub here. Okay, and second room for the kids. Here, the kids. Here, there's another kitchen, and another living room, and the room. And nag-prepare na kaagad kami for our medianoche. Yung friends namin ay naka-check-in sa 9th floor. Samantalang kami ay nandito sa 3rd floor. And nag-decide kami na kaming mga adults ay dito mag-stay sa 3rd floor. And lahat ng mga kids ay doon sa 9th floor sila matutulog.
Okay, let's pray. Ako, balik ka anak. Sino anak? Okay, let's go. Ma! Okay, let's pray. Ako, go.
Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessings. Thank you for guiding us through this past year.
At before pala kami kumain ay nagpicture-picture dahil nag-decide kami na hindi na lalabas para manood ng fireworks dahil umuulan at ang ulan ay hanggang 10 o'clock in the evening. And while waiting for 12 midnight, ayan, nag-decide kami na maglaro ng Jenga. Actually, nag-bingo pa kami before nito, pero wala akong video. Mukha pasmado ng daliri.
Yan pala, oh.
Ano mo na, sir? Kailangan mo ng metformin pa siguro. Dagdag na, ano?
Pala, nagawa ko. Ala. Bukaw.
Anyamat.
My turn. I'm gonna fail it. I'm calling it. Girl, you gotta.
Happy New Year! Kanina, ang ingay-ingay nyo ako.
My knees are hurting.
Two hands.
Pwede. Ah,
I'm showing you I'm feeling this.
Go, May May, go, May May, go.
Go, May May, go, May May, go. Go, May May, go, May May, go.
Go, Destiny, go, Destiny, go. Yay!
Ah! Nag-ikot na lang nag-ikot.
abot ba sa akin to ah?
Up here, May! Yeah!
Hala!
Hala! Hala! Hala! Hala! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
You can bring that.
Hala! Hala!
Hala! Hala!
Five, four, three,
3, 2, 1! Happy New Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's raining! It's raining!
fireworks, oh.
It's raining in Vegas.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Ah, maraming sabay-sabay pala.
Yeah, 10, ano, diba? 10
You
locations.
can see?
Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year, Jake.
Let's go.
Happy New Year, brother. Ayaw!